Good morning, RV family. My name is Jason Herrington here at Veurinks RV Center in Grand Rapids, Michigan, where we have been family owned and operated since 1954. Now, what I have the privilege of bringing you guys today is the all-new Sportsmen LE 260 BHLE made by KZ-RV. Now, we've been a KZ dealer for nearly 20 years now, and this is our bread and butter right here. We love these KZ products. I'm just gonna shoot you a short video on this all-new floor plan. If you have any questions, any comments, you need to know pricing, you need to know what your trade's worth, you need to know if I can ship this to your house nationwide, give me a call after this video. But follow me inside right now and let's go over some of the cool features. Now, inside of your all-new Sportsmen 260 BHLE, this is a great floor plan. You're about a 26-foot trailer weighing in at under 5,000 pounds. No slides. This thing is perfect. Everybody loves this thing. I can't wait to show you some of the features. Now, this is a bunkhouse, and that's the primary reason you're going to be buying one of these trailers. So let's start back here in the bunks. You're going to have two large double over double bunks with those teddy bear mattresses. You can fit 4 people back there, so comfortable. Now, KZ is going to give you a window in the top bunk and in the bottom bunk. A lot of the competing brands do not do both windows, and it makes it feel so cramped when you're in there and you feel claustrophobic. Not in a KZ trailer. They give you both those windows. They both open up. They give you an LED light in both bunks, so if someone needs to read, it's not going to disturb the other person. Right next to the bunks is your bathroom. Now, in your bathroom, it's pretty big. You can fit in there no problem. You have plenty of room to move around, plenty of elbow room. You're going to have a shower with the surround on there, so you're not getting water on that cardboard wall board. It's not gonna rot anything. You get the foot flush toilet, and then you continue your seamless countertops into the bathroom with a nice sink, vanity. You got plenty of space, plenty of stuff to keep all your toiletries. Right outside of the bathroom is gonna be your kitchen dinette area. This dinette easily can fit 4 people. Very comfortable. You can fit 4 people on this, no problem. It also turns into a sleeping spot where you can sleep an additional 2 people. In the kitchen, this is new this year. It's awesome. This is gonna be the Everchill 10 cubic foot refrigerator. Everybody else is using a 6.3 or smaller. We go 10 cubic foot in this thing. Now, the trick to this thing is it is just electric. It is a 12-volt refrigerator. This trailer is solar panel prepped. You can hook a solar panel up to this thing and run your refrigerator off the sun. How cool is that? You got plenty of stuff plenty of room to put all your stuff in there. In the kitchen area, we do equip you with the stovetop with plenty of storage underneath. We don't option in the oven, but we give you all that extra storage for pots and pans and what have you. Plenty of storage up top as well. The kitchen area, countertop space, plenty of countertop space. You can get a sink cover that goes over top of your double bowl sink, which will give you even more countertop space. It's much easier to clean your pots and pans with these bigger sinks than those smaller single bowl ones. Plus, we give you that residential style faucet in there. It's easier to get the deeper pans in there. A lot of trailers, only 26 foot, are not gonna come anywhere to sit. You're gonna have your dinette to watch TV. That's it. Not in this one. We give you a couch. This is a full 3-person size couch. It does flip up into another bed. So if you want to sleep in another 2 people in this thing, you can sleep them right here. This couch is going to be seated directly behind the TV or in front of the TV. So your TV is going to be straight across from you. Sit on this couch. You're not kinked with your neck. It's great. You can sit here, watch TV. Now your TV has some cords hooked up to it. That's gonna go right to your stereo. This is gonna be a Furion stereo in this thing. That's gonna be AM, FM, CD, DVD. It's also Bluetooth connected. So you can control everything right from your phone on your radio. You can watch a movie, have it going through the speakers, both inside and outside. It's really cool. Now, one of my favorite parts in a trailer this size is the fact that you get, as mom and dad, a private bedroom. So if the kids want to stay up a little bit later and you guys want to go to bed, or they're going to bed early and you're staying up later, you can come back here and you can actually shut this door and have your own private space. Now up here in this bedroom, they give you a lot of room. You have plenty of room to walk around the bed. You can get to the bed on both sides. So you're not in a corner, you get plenty of room on both sides. Plus we're gonna give you a his and her wardrobe. So you have a full length wardrobe on both sides. This is full length. You can put a full-size coat in there. It's not even going to touch the bottom. It's great. You're not those short little ones where all your clothes end up getting wrinkled anyways. Little nightstand on both sides with a plug on both sides. So if you have an alarm clock, a charger, a sleep app machine, you can plug those in on both sides. It doesn't matter where you're at. There's also windows on both sides. So if you're not into air conditioning, you like that natural breeze, open both those windows. You're gonna have a great cross breeze through here. Now I want you guys to follow me outside in the patio. I got something really cool to show you. Now I'm out here in the patio of your new Sportsmen 260. Now this is where we're gonna spend most of our time camping, am I right? Well, this is what makes KZ so much better than everybody else. They're gonna give you, we are the only ones that are gonna give you this right now. This is the new Smart Arm awning by Lippert. This awning, you can control right outside. There's a button that you press to bring it in, bring it out, control your lights. There's actually a wind sensor on it as well. So you can actually set this thing up to come in and come out depending on the wind. They're the first ones doing it. It's so awesome. It makes life so much easier. A few other cool features out here. Up front on your trailer, this thing's gonna come standard with a power front tongue jack. You don't have to crank it. You just press a button. There's a nice LED light on there as well, so you're backing your truck up at night. It makes it easy to find where you're actually backing up to. Like I talked about inside with that fridge, solar panel prep. You can actually hook a solar panel to this thing and charge your whole 12-volt system. Now right here in your pass-through storage, they are gonna give you the same size door on both sides. They are gonna reciprocate this. So if you can fit it in this side, you can fit it in the other side. You're not getting sandwiched on the other end with a bottlenose effect. This year too, KZ is putting on magnetic catches on all their baggage doors. So no more those little clamps up here that are just gonna rip off. They put the magnetic catch up there. Now this awning, like I just talked about, the light, you have 3 switches on that light if you want it dimmer or brighter. You're also gonna have LED lights inside of your speakers on the outside of the camper. How cool is that? The back of the camper is gonna come with the bumper, and it's gonna have a spare tire and the backup camera prep on this thing. So if you guys are having a hard time backing these things up, or if you're driving down the road and you're worried about someone behind you, if you need to switch lanes, you can actually hook a camera to this thing and see that the whole time while you're driving. It's so nice, it makes things so much easier. It's all set up for it. It's just a plug and play system. Now I wanna thank you guys so much for spending the time with me on this all new Sportsmen 260 BHLE by KZ-RV. Again, we are a dealer for this. We are not the manufacturer. But if you have any questions, if you wanna know what your trade's worth, you wanna know what type of payment you can get on something like this, or if I can drop this off at your doorstep, give me a call. My number's gonna be right there on the bottom of the screen. Again, my name is Jason Herrington at Veurinks RV Center, and I can't wait for you to go RVing with us.